After this rain a little bit we got, I finally walk across something. It's like old Creek Dalton. Could be wrong. Good focus, there it is. It almost looks like that tip's been reworked a little bit. Actually, I'm pretty sure it has. That's exactly what it is. It's a nice little find. Wish I had a nice tip to it, but I'll take it at the end of the day. Alright, we had that rain come through from that hurricane, and I got a couple days off anyway, so I figured I'd go give her a whirl in these creeks. And I think I finally walked up on one. It's an ugly one. I knew I'd come across these uglies today. Looks like it was heavily used or something. There you go. I'll be hunting all day, so I'm pretty sure I'll find another one, so I'll holler back at y'all. Well, I found another one. Actually, I was just right down the creek, about right there when I found that ugly point. Come to this rock bar. Saw that flake right here. And I was looking around. Looks like a couple ears. Knowing my luck, it's another ugly one. So here we go. Yeah. Another ugly one. Looks like it's heavily used again. But I'll take it. Hopefully I'll find some good ones here after a while. But not too bad for my early morning start. Man, I wish I could find a pretty one. All right.